just like that, guys, as you can see, this is absolutely insane. The method actually worked. I just got over 100,000 completely free Robux from this method that I'm gonna be showing you guys in today's video. So that sounds interesting. You're definitely gonna make sure to watch all the way to the very end. On top of that, if you want to win some completely free Robux from my giveaway, all you gotta do is make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video and comment down below your Roblox username 10 different times in 10 different comments, as well as making sure that you guys do that right now. So go and do it. And as you guys can see right here, I have my Roblox on screen, and you can see we're actually very, very sad because I only have 0 Robux in my account. But with the method I'm going to be showing you right now, I'm going to be taking this from 0 to 100,000, which is going to be absolutely insane. So all we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hit on this settings button right here, and then we're going to want to hit setting. And then all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down to billing. And as you can see right here, for me, it says payments and subscriptions. But if you're a very lucky person and you've redeemed Robux gift cards in the past, you're going to see a little option right here to redeem some extra free Robux, which is going to be a great way to get at least about 1,000 free Robux and free credits, provided that you actually do have it. Now, if you don't have it like I do, I'm going to be still showing you another completely new method in order to be getting that 100,000 Robux. So let's go. So the next thing you guys are going to want to do is that you're either going to want to go into the description and click on the first link, or go ahead and type into the search browser paytoearn.com and then hit that enter button. As you can see right here, Pay to Earn is a revolutionary new survey site which you can be earning up to $200 free per offer, which is absolutely insane. And I know that this has been the exact kind of thing that you guys are looking for. As you can see, they have a bunch of people who are going ahead and completing offers in real time. And on top of that, if I go ahead and sign in, you can see right here, I have earned over 100,000 points on Pay to Earn, and this has not taken me no more than a couple days. So I know for a fact that this is going to be an excellent use of your time, because if you just spend at least 10 minutes on here grinding, then you can get a ton of free Robux, which I know is exactly what you guys have been looking for. And the reason why I know this is because if we go to cash out, you can see right here that you can actually withdraw your points into Robux. So I'm actually going to be withdrawing 100,000 of my points, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my email really quick, and I'm going to be actually redeeming 100,000 of my points that did not take me no more than about half a day of grinding to get, which if you guys want the minimum cash out option, which is 800 Robux for 1,000 points, I know for a fact that this is not going to take you guys no more than just about half an hour. So all we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put in which version we want and then enter in our email address. And I actually just redeemed my code that I literally got. It didn't even take no more than about a day to redeem it. And as you guys can see right there, I have over 100,000 completely free Robux, which is absolutely insane. You guys are never going to be able to find a method better than this. So you're going to want to make sure to check out the first link in the description and sign up for Pay to Earn today.